I started recording. See, so list view demo org.sra, the package name already we know. It's a user defined. I don't want action verb. Next, 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 finish. Yeah. Now I'm deleting some supporting library package. Delete. Even we can use the same library supported package also, but I don't want to use those things. What is main package here? List view demo. I'm deleting this one. Yeah. Main activity, action bar, control shift O. Yeah. So first one, initially if you want to create the list view, what we have to do here, simply open the layout, Control C, Control A, Control V. I'm deleting this one. Okay. Now what I want to do here, for list view I am taking one option called list view. So here instead of related layout, I want to take linear layout, Control C, Control V. I'm deleting all unnecessary folders. Android column, orientation, vertical. The list view width I'm giving as match parent, and height I'm giving as wrap content. The list view ID I'm giving at the rate of ID by plus ID by list view. So before that I should start my motion. Okay. So simply here I created one list view component. Now go to your main activity. There simply you declare private list view list view. Control C, list view equals to list view find view by ID r.id dot the list view object. So I created one list view of the list view component inside the XML. Now I taken that XML file here. Okay. Now what I want to do here, okay, I'm going to start my emulator. Okay, it may take some time. Now what I want to do here, private void load adapter. See, I create one user defined method. The name of the method is load adapter. Okay, here I'm taking one array list, arr array list. I'm going to store the values of string type. Some names equals to new array list. So inside the names I'm storing some values. Names dot add of some names I'm adding. Shravan, Srilaya, Roshan, Vishnu, Mamata, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apurva, Mamata, Roshan, Srilaya, Vishnu, Amani. Amani. So I added some names into the array list. So next one, here how to create the one array adapter. See, first one, before creating the list view, we should know what is mean by list view. Here list view is nothing but which contains some n number of rows The best example of list view is, see, if I open my settings page, which contains some n number of rows, So this is, we can take one example of list view. Now my intention, I want to create this type of list view. So if I want to create that type of list view, see, first one I create one adapter, one method, that is what load adapter. So next one I taken one array list which stores the values of string type. Next array list is having some values of string, means I'm adding some values into the array list. Later I have to take one adapter class. The purpose of adapter class is used to, which determines, means which tells the number of rows, which you want to display for list view. Okay, so that case, what I have to do here, I have to take the help of, so to create the one array adapter, we have to take one class. The name of the class is array adapter. Here array adapter stores the values of string. So array adapter equals to new array adapter, get application context x1 r dot layout dot simple list item 1. So this is what one text view object. Next one, I have to pass the resources, means the names. Okay, see, say array adapter is one predefined class. Simply the array adapter storing the string type of values. New array adapter means I'm allocating a memory. So what type of values I'm passing? String type of values. This array adapter I'm passing 3 parameters. The first parameter is the application object. The second parameter is one layout. Okay, where android.r.layout.simple underscore not expandable. Simple list item 1. Yeah, simple list item 1. Okay, means one single row of the list view means. Okay, next one, the names. Okay, so names is one array list which contains some names, either maybe 2 or 20 or 30 or 2000. That dynamically we can add any number of names. So now I created one adapter. Now what I have to do here, this adapter I should add to my list view. List view dot set adapter adapter. Okay, what is that? What is my list view object? mlv dot set adapter of, I am passing one adapter. Yeah, so right click, run as Android application. Why it's not running? Okay, see, maybe my Genie motion is not recognized here, so I'm going to start one more Genie motion one more time. Stop at that one.
Next class, just that.
So it's taking some time to load. So start my emulator. So first initially I taken one layout. The layout simply contains one list view, and I taken one main activity, and I got the listView instance here. Now I taken one I create one adapter method, say user defined method. I create one array list object and I added some variables into the array list. Finally, I create one array adapter. It stores the values of strings value. This array adapter mainly takes three parameters. One is the application object, and the second one is the layout. It means what layout you want to add inside your listView as a row. That layout I'm passing. And the third one is the number of rows. How many number of rows I want to display. Here the names contains around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means the name size is 5. Then the number of rows will be appear in 5. The name size is 10. The number of rows will appear as 10. Okay. So I got a adapter. Now that adapter I'm adding to my listView. That adapter I added to my listView. Right click, run as Android application. Where is this? Yeah. So maybe activity main. What is the activity main here? With match parent, height match parent. Why the main list? Okay. See. So I create an adapter. Now how to call that adapter? So simply I'm calling loading adapter. So that case this adapter method will be called. In adapter method simply I'm setting my listView. Okay. So this is what. Even if I change the orientation also, it's a scrollable. It is a scrollable. So this one. Suppose here I want to add some more names. I added one name Nagesh. See, I'm adding some more names. Okay. So dynamically I want to change the elements inside the listView. See, I got those values. Whatever values I added inside my listView, those values dynamically I got. Even in programming point of view, we don't need to do anything. Based on the size of your array list, automatically it will adjust the values. Now what I want to do here, I want to apply some listeners. Means when I click the Nagesh, assume I want to display some information about the Nagesh. When I click the Roshan, I want to display some information about the Roshan. So that case, first what should I do? I have to get the selected position. I should get the selected position. So that case what I'm doing, I'm declaring this variable as a global variable. I'm declaring that variable as a global variable. Control X, names, yeah, allocate memory here. So later here simply names dot clear. Means I'm clearing initially I'm clearing the all values. Okay. Now already we know. So buttons performs on click listener, radio button perform on check change listeners, something. At the same time my listView performs set on item click listener. Set on item click listener means whenever I select any item on the listView, that case on item click listener method will be called. This on item click listener is available under on item click listener interface. So whenever I implement that interface, we should override one method. The name of the method is on item click. The name of the method is on item click. So whenever you select your listView, whenever you select any item inside your listView, that case the on item click method will be called. In on item click, it's taking some parameters. The first parameter is some adapter view object. Okay, either listView or grid views. We have some adapter views. That adapter view object. The second parameter is the row layout ID. See, actually here we are having some n number of rows, but each row is called one layout. That layout ID. Next one is arg2 and arg3 are positions of the layout. arg3 and arg2 is the positions. Position means the selected item position. Position is the selected item position. Here what I want to do here, if arg0 double equals to m listView, here what I want to do here, I want to display one toast dot make text, get application context, m names, okay, names dot get of index. Index simply I'm passing arg2. Arg2 is the selected position. Toast dot length short. Simply here I'm displaying the toast only. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, this is what. See, when I click Harmony, here I got toast like Harmony. When I click Shravan, here I got toast like whatever item I'm clicking here. When I click Nagesh, here I got toast. This is what. Okay, so this is what on item click on the list view. This is what on item click on the list view. Okay, now this is a normal array adapter. It's a predefined array adapter is here. Now what I want to do here, I want to do customize of my list view. I want to do customize of my list view. Customization in the sense, if you observe settings of your screen, see, if you observe settings, so in settings also we have some list view, but list view it contains the text and left side we have icon also. Left side we have icon also. Now how we can design this type of list view, means how we can do the customization of the list view. How we can do the customization of the list view. In that case what I have to do here, see, I'm opening activity main.xml. So list view, control C, and list view 2. Okay, next one width and the height I'm giving as 0 dp. It also height I'm giving as 0 dp. Next one here, Android column layout underscore weight 1 are given. Weight 1 are given. Okay. Now what I want to do here, the list view 2, I want to display some customized list view. Then what I want to do here, m list view 2. M list view 2 equals to list view find u by id r dot id dot list view 2. List view 2. Okay, I got. Now I create the list view object m list view 2. Now I have to create one listener, one adapter for this list view. Private void load custom adapter. Load custom adapter. Here custom adapter is one user defined method. So before that, what I want to do here, right click on src and click on new. I'm going to create one different package com.sra.utils. Utils. Inside that, we have to take one more layout. The name of the layout I'm going to create as the layout name is list view row. The layout I'm creating as list view row. Okay. Okay, list view row. In the list view row, I taken one linear layout, and the linear layout height I given as a wrap content, and the linear layout orientation I'm giving as a horizontal, and inside the linear layout, I want to take two text views. Sorry, one image view. One image view. Here ID I'm giving as IV. Width I'm giving as wrap content. Height I'm giving as wrap content. Okay, so that is what image view. And second I'm taking text view. The text view I'm giving ID as TV. Width, wrap content, height, wrap content. Okay, control A, control C here. So here I created one layout. Now what I want to do here, this layout I want to be work as a row of the list view. This layout I want to be work as a row of the list view. So that case, what I have to do here, right click, new, class, my adapter. So my adapter is one user defined class, extends base adapter. Here I am extending a base adapter. So another important thing, base adapter is one abstract class. Whenever you extend the base adapter, we should override those abstract class contained methods. Simply add unimplemented methods. Next one, you have to create two objects. One is private layout inflatter, m inflatter, private array list string names, control C, private images. These are. So names and images. Okay, here I declare one inflator object and names array and images array. One is a string array, another one is integer array. Public. My adapter is one user, one constructor. Now what I want to do here, layout inflator. Next one, array list, string, NAM, array list, integer, IMG, yes, IMG. Now what I want to do here, inflator means whatever objects I'm passing to this one, those objects I'm assigning here. Names equals to name and images equals to IMG. That is what. Okay, so IMG, yes, control C, control V means whatever values I'm passing to this my adapter, those values I'm assigning into those respective variables. Next one, the get count. Get count simply returns the number of, means how many rows you want. So I want to return names dot length, names dot size, which indicates how many values you have inside your names. So size is, if size is 5, then it returns 5. Now names dot get of arg0. Get of arg0 means whenever to get some item, the arg0 is nothing but some position, and this one get item ID returns the long value. So simply arg0 value I'm returning. In the clicker item position, get item ID. So here a very important thing is the get view. Suppose if you are passing 10, if your name size is 5, then this get view method at least it will execute 5 times. So what I'm going to do here, the view object, I'm changing to view, v equals to inflator dot inflat means to fill with something. I want to fill with r dot layout dot list row, and the parent I am giving as a null. Why? Because I want to use this one for all layouts, means wherever I want. So finally here I should return B. Next one, another important thing is inside the list view row, see we have two objects, one is the image view and another one is the text view. So go to here, so it simply declare image view IV equals to image view, here see v dot find view by id. Why? Because here my view means the r dot list view layout dot list view row is associated with v object. V is object of view. So from that view object I am getting id, r dot id dot. Just please 1 minute. Yeah. So r dot id dot, now here list view row, suppose I am giving image view IB, I am giving IBVV, and text view object I am giving TVV. I'm giving TVV. So now what I want to do here, for image view now object is IBVV, control C, TVV. So text view TV. Okay, I want to change as text view. Control S. Now here what should I do here? Your text view dot set text means I want to set some text. So for text, setting the text, I want to get names of get of the arg0. Arg0 means the position. Means when initially calling the getView method, it's the position 0. Means from the array list, I'm getting the 0th value. That value I'm setting into the text view. At the same time, imageview dot set background resource images dot get of the index. Get of index means from the array list I'm getting one ID. This is what image ID. That ID I'm setting into my image view. Now what I want to do here, simply I create one adapter. So this adapter is used for simply this adapter is extends the base adapter. Base adapter is one predefined class which is used to display the how many number of rows you want. The base adapter is a abstract class, so whenever I extend the base adapter, it's having some methods like get count and get item ID and get item and get view. Here important is the get count. The get count. Suppose the number of rows. The dynamically I want to decide how many rows. So that's based on the names dot size it will returns and get view. Each time when I'm calling, so suppose if you return 5, then the get view method will call in 5 times. So for every time, so in first time it takes the value of first value of the array list and I'm setting that value into the text view, and the same time I'm setting that value, sorry, image value into the image view. Now what I want to do here, okay, go to your main activity. So here I have to download some images, which I want to put on my list view. You can take any images. Icon finder.com. See, I'm downloading some images. I want 3 images. So save images, desktop, img1, image 1, and save images, img2, save images, img3, save images, img4, g5. Okay, some number of, okay, assume I taken only 5 images. Now what should I do? These images I have to place inside my application folder. Inside, see, I'm placing inside the drawable HTTP. Then what I want to do here, see, I taken names.clear. The same time here I have to declare one more array. This array wants images, sorry, integers. int integer. Now I have to add some integer values. So images dot, okay, here what I want to do here, images dot add of r dot id dot, sorry, r dot drawable dot image 1, r dot drawable dot image 1, 1 2 3 4. So image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4 and image 5. The same time control C, once again I'm giving image 5. See, once I'm adding the same images. So totally I added 2 images. Each image I added twice. So this is what at the same time I want to add This names also. Okay, names. The at the same time before adding images dot clear. So now I have some images and at the same time I have some names. Now what I have to do here, we have to create one other object for base adapter. Base adapter b adapter equals to new base adapter. Another important thing is, so it's not base adapter, my adapter. I have to create object for my adapter. So my adapter is a one class which is created by me, new my adapter. So get layout implanter and names values and images values. See, the my adapter is one user defined class which is created by us. It takes mainly 3 parameters. For the first one is the implanter object and the second one is the names which contains the string values. Third one is the images which contains the images. Now what I have to do here, simply I pass up those values to that adapter. Now listView 2 dot set adapter of the base adapter. Now right click, listView demo. See, did you observe? Here I got only one single listView, but why I am not getting the second listView in the sense? Reason is, I created one method, but I did not add that method, means I did not utilize that method. See, now I am going to utilize that method, means I am going to call that method. Right click, run as. If you observe your UI, so here I got one error. Here very important thing is we should know what is the root cause of the error. Okay, maybe here how to use somewhat different. This is what first layout. Names 2. Yeah. No. See, here I created one images array, but it not utilized that. Means I did not allocate memory for that. So images equals to new array list. Yeah. Now I allocate memory for that. See, the top list view is the list view 1. The second list view is the customized list view, which contains one image at the same time which contains one text, which contains one image, which contains one text. Okay, so here see, index out of bounds exception I got. The reason is the names you have some more, means how many names I placed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 images. Sorry, the 11 names I placed, but images I provided only 10 images. So that's why I got out of memory error. So I'm deleting 1. Now I won't get any error. Now, see, if you want to change the text size or text to color or somewhat, whatever you want to change for this customized list view, then simple, go to the layout of that layout. Where is the layout? List view row. Okay, so in list view row, image view, yeah, in text view, I want to occupy the match parent. In the full text, next one I want to increase the text size, Android column, text size 30 sp. The same time Android column, the gravity I'm giving as center. Gravity I'm giving as center. Just run here. See this one. Now the text size was increased. At the same time alignment of the text also I got in center. Alignment of the text also I got center. Is it clear what is the list view? How we can customize the list view? Or any doubts in this? Hello?
Yes, sir, that is clear.
Shravan, I have a question.
Yes, I mean, tell me.
Before creating the class myadapter.java, then also you got to allocate the number of rows in the UI, right?
Yeah.
Why did we use separate class?
Yeah, very good. So this is what default list view. Sorry, the default list view. So to display the default list view, simply I taken the one default adapter, that is what array adapter. The default adapter, that is what array adapter. So to implement the array adapter, we no need to create the adapter. Why? Because even Android also it created one adapter, that's what the array adapter. Just I'm using that one. But assume I want to create one list view. That list view contains one image and at the same time one text view. Assume it may have contains one edit text also. So that case, here see, here android.r.layout simple list item. This is one layout which is designed by Android, not by us. So I want to customize myself, means I want to change the background color, I want to change the text color, I want to put some image. So for customization, what I taken here I created one list view, means I created one row, I create one layout. Inside the layout I taken the design whatever I want. So later I use this layout inside the my adapter. Inside the my adapter, see, I inflated that layout here. Inflated.inflat r.listview.low. Inflat is nothing but to fill with something. Inflat is nothing but to fill with something. Okay, for customization purpose I taken the my adapter. For if you want just only for text, then I can use the array adapter. Okay. Mamta,
Okay, sure.
Apurva, is any doubts?
No, Shravan, everything is fine.
Okay. So, okay. Is it enough for today?